Super quick review of exponent law number 2, dividing like bases. First of all, you'll have no trouble telling me that 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. You'll have no trouble telling me that negative 101 divided by negative 101 is 1. And that 6.38 divided by 6.38 is also 1. But when I ask in class what is x divided by x, people stumble and they don't know if it's x or 1. Of course, it's also 1. Why? Because x over x is really just saying 2 over 2. Whatever number I put on top, I put the same number on the top. It's the same thing as saying this, and it's the same thing as doing this. X could be any number. So please remember, x divided by x is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Great. Let's go on to the next one. So what is 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 2? And instead of memorizing, we're just going to say, oh, this is like saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And the bottom is just 2 times 2. And we're only doing this so you can see it. We're not going to do it when we are evaluating things. So what is 2 divided by 2? That's 1. What is 2 divided by 2? That's 1. So I only got 3 left. So this is 2 to the power of 3. X to the power of 6. X, 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 x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's only 1 dividing. Well, x divided by x is only 1, so I only have 5 left. So clearly you can see that the shortcut would be to say 5 minus 2 gives you 3, and then 6 minus 1, because this is really x to the power of 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to x to the power of 5, which means that the exponent law is when dividing like bases, I subtract the exponents, and here's the symbols for it. Just particularly if you go into 3U, make sure that you understand the symbols and you can copy and remember them. Here's one last example. We've had 8a to the power of 10 divided by 2a to the power of 3. Whoa. These two right here are not exponents, so we don't use exponent laws for that. So don't do silly stuff like saying 8 minus 2. No, that's 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is just 4, right? That's not exponent laws. It's just regular dividing. And a to the power of 10 divided by a to the power of 3, I will cancel 3 of them out, so that just leaves me 7 left on top. And that's our final answer.